Hi, it's me, Dasa Reacts. So, I've been trying to perfect this bread recipe for years since I've gotten married 3 years ago. And my bread has turned out like bricks many, many times again. I even had to call my uncle, my mother in law, not bring my cookbook, everything to figure out how to do this bread. So, finally, I decided during this quarantine I'm going to make this bread. So I did everything. I put my flour, 5 cups of flour, water, yeast, salt, sugar, shortening, butter, a little bit of milk, water. And I really took my time and I really, 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 really needed this dough. Because, child, this bread was not coming up. It used to be flat, rough, bumpy, small in the tin. So, before it goes in the oven, I've been letting it rise and I'm very excited. Look at my babies. Oh my god, look at them. Oh my god, look how soft. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not trying to freak out. I'm trying to freak out. I like prayed over them to make sure I get them okay. So, I put the oven to preheat for 350. So, I'm going to put them in shortly. I find I can fill out a little more. I want them to be a little higher. And then I'm going to put them in and leave them for about 30-40 minutes. And we'll come back. Okay? When we come back, let's see how they look. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so I'm going to see my babies. Oh Jesus. Okay, baby number one. It's a boxy baby boy. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's look at the next one.
Wow.
Tell me that's not looking good.
Yeah, that was not good.
Alright. Just finishing touches now. Now you gotta put that bud.
No. Take it out of the pan.
Oh.
Pass the knife around the pan to get it to make sure it loose.
Are you taping me?
Mm-hmm.
You taping down when you go?
To make a proper bread.
They must have an input. Alright.
Turn the pan upside down and out.
My baby number one. How is she looking? Don't be jelly. Oh! Jesus. Yes, I am nice Selassie. Alright, boy. See, he a little rough. So that's the boy. See, look, I got flour. This tin. Oh my god, the beauty. Oh, alright, let's put the butter. Oh, look at it. Just want to sop it up. Put some butter in the next one here. Oh my gosh. 3 years in the making. Finally got it.
It take her years out of marriage to learn how to make a bread earlier.
Amen. Alright, so you'll pause and then we'll get to slicing of the bread now. I have cheese.